Alright guys, today I am going to show you how to light the pilot light for your water heater. This is a Rheem model, or manufacturers anyway. Most of them looks the same nowadays. So this is the electronic combustion, so you don't need to hook up to a, you don't need to light a match or anything like that, okay? So I lit mine already. If you see the static light said blue, that means it's a normal operation. Any of the red, if the red light come on, you got to read any of it. It could be any one of these problems, okay? In any case, it's going to be a quick one. So if you want to light the pilot light, if you're a brand new one, you put it on the pilot mode. Okay, don't turn it off. You got to put it on the pilot mode. What you need to do is press it. If you just turn it on the brand new, recently installed, you need to press it in and hold it for a few, maybe 10-20 seconds, because the gas has to flow in, and gas is travel very, very slow, okay? So it takes time to give it 10-20 seconds, and then you press it in at the same time and press that little button right here. It's going to hear click, okay? When you press that, you're going to hear click on it, and that's going to light the pilot lights, okay? So you press it in and hit that button there at the same time. If you want to do that a few times, it may take a few times to actually light the light in there. Okay? And if you open yours, this safety metal piece right here, so you can go and you can see, oh, there's an opening window. You can see the pilot light. Oh, actually, you can hear a little woof. That means your gas water heater is coming on already, okay? In any case, simplest thing to do, press it in and hit that button at the same time. It doesn't come on, you got to try it a few times. Critical thing again, if it's brand new, I'm going to put it back where it is when I have it right now. But the critical thing is, if you just recently install it, or your gas went out for some reason, you might have to press it and hold for a few seconds, maybe 10-15 seconds, to get the gas flowing back inside the unit, so that way it can catch a spark, okay? Because gas, again, gas travel roughly in the residential household, roughly travel about 2 psi, so it's very, very slow. Push it down, press it in really hard, and press that button right there, okay? So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, guys.